In this video, I'm going to show you how to save money online using a VPN. A VPN like NordVPN doesn't just protect your privacy, it can also help you get better deals on flights, hotels, subscriptions, and more. You can try NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description and follow along with this guide. First, download and install NordVPN on your device. You can use it on your laptop, smartphone, or even as a browser extension. Once it's installed, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account directly in the app. Now here's the trick. Many online stores, airlines, and booking platforms show different prices depending on your location. By connecting to a server in a different country, you can compare prices and often find cheaper options. For example, a flight from the US to Europe might cost less if you appear to be browsing from a country in Asia or South America. This works for hotels too. The same room can have different rates depending on the country you're accessing the website from. Open the website or app where you want to make a purchase. Before browsing, connect NordVPN and select a server in a country where the product or service is typically cheaper. Refresh the page and check the price. You may need to try a few different locations to find the best deal. This can also work for car rentals, event tickets, and even online shopping platforms like Amazon or eBay. You can also use NordVPN to save on subscriptions, streaming services, software licenses, and even some online courses sometimes offer lower rates in other countries. Simply switch your VPN location, create or log into your account, and see if the subscription price changes. With a VPN, you can legally access these better deals without needing to use complicated workarounds or multiple accounts. Another way a VPN can save you money is by protecting you from dynamic pricing. Some websites track your visits and raise prices if they notice repeated searches for the same product or flight. With NordVPN, your IP address changes, so these websites can't track you and adjust prices unfairly. You'll always get the most unbiased rates available. And of course, NordVPN keeps your data safe while you shop. It encrypts your internet traffic, prevents trackers from monitoring your activity, and ensures your real IP address stays hidden. This means you can compare prices, browse deals, and make purchases online without worrying about privacy or security. Finally, NordVPN offers powerful features beyond saving money. It comes with threat protection, which blocks malware, ads, and trackers, and MeshNet, which lets you securely connect multiple devices even when they're not on the same network. You can use the kill switch to make sure your real IP is never exposed if the VPN connection drops, and split tunneling allows you to choose which apps use the VPN and which use your regular internet. Plus, NordVPN offers thousands of servers worldwide with optimized speeds for streaming, shopping, or gaming, so your internet stays fast and reliable while saving money. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start saving money online while staying secure today.